When did you first see them? When did you first see them? I saw them yesterday afternoon. I saw them yesterday afternoon. What do you want to do tonight? What do you want to do tonight? I want to watch a movie. I want to watch a movie. When is a good time for you? When is a good time for you? Saturday afternoon is ideal for me. Saturday afternoon is ideal for me. How tall are you? How tall are you? I am 170 centimeters tall. I am 170 centimeters tall. How are your coworkers? How are your coworkers? They are friendly and helpful. They are friendly and helpful. When did you buy the car? When did you buy the car? I bought it last year. I bought it last year. What do you know about Joe? What do you know about Joe? He is very polite and honest. He is very polite and honest. Do you sell wine? Do you sell wine? Yes, we have red and white wine. Yes, we have red and white wine. What kind of person do you want to be? What kind of person do you want to be? I want to be caring and generous. I want to be caring and generous. What is summer weather like? What is summer weather like? It is usually hot and sunny. It is usually hot and sunny. Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have coffee? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Where do you like to go for holidays? Where do you like to go for holidays? I like going to the beach. I like going to the beach. Do you own a car? Do you own a car? Yes, I bought one recently. Yes, I bought one recently. Can you play tennis? Can you play tennis? Yes, I play tennis on weekends. Yes, I play tennis on weekends. What do you do on Sundays? What do you do on Sundays? I usually stay home and rest. I usually stay home and rest. What sandwich do you like best? What sandwich do you like best? I like tuna sandwiches. I like tuna sandwiches. Where do you keep your books? Where do you keep your books? I keep them on my shelf. I keep them on my shelf. What is your dream job? What is your dream job? I want to be a pilot. I want to be a pilot. Will you go to the concert next week? Will you go to the concert next week? Yes, I already bought tickets. Yes, I already bought tickets. Do you enjoy going to the movies? Do you enjoy going to the movies? Yes, I watch movies every month. Yes, I watch movies every month. Where do you read to learn new things? Where do you read to learn new things? I normally browse online. I normally browse online. May I borrow your car? May I borrow your car? Sorry, I need it today. Sorry, I need it today. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Yes, I will bring it soon. Yes, I will bring it soon. Can you juggle 3 balls? Can you juggle 3 balls? No, I cannot juggle. No, I cannot juggle. By plane or by train? By plane or by train? I prefer traveling by train. I prefer traveling by train. Are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am a college student. Yes, I am a college student.